You can build a real AI tool in a single day. Not a toy, not a promise of riches, a small thing that actually works. Let me show you how honestly. First, forget the giant idea. Pick one tiny, annoying problem you have today. Maybe you paste messy notes and wish they were clean bullet points. That's your tool. One input, one output. Here's the concrete step you can follow right now. Sign up for an AI API. OpenAI or Anthropic both work. Grab your API key and paste it into a fresh project folder. Now write about 10 lines of code. Take the user's text, send it to the model with a clear instruction like summarize this into 3 bullet points, and print the response. That's it. That's a working AI tool. If code scares you, use a no-code platform like Replit or a simple automation in Make or Zapier. Same idea, fewer keystrokes. The secret nobody tells beginners. Your first version should be embarrassing. Ship it ugly. A plain text box and a button is enough. Then you use it yourself for a week and fix what annoys you. That feedback loop is where real skill comes from. Now about money. I'm not going to promise you $1. But people who can turn a small problem into a working tool tend to find opportunities, freelance gigs, tiny paid apps, automations businesses will pay for. That's a consequence of the skill, not a shortcut around it. So today, do 3 things. Pick one small problem. Get an API key. Build the ugliest version that works. Come back tomorrow and improve it. That's how builders are actually made. Subscribe if you want more honest, hands-on builds, and go make something today.